In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable manual payments or cash on delivery in your Wix dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix dashboard. Once you're signed in and looking at your site management area, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct website if you manage more than one. This helps avoid changing payment settings on the wrong project. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the main configuration and management menu. This is where Wix groups together the important settings for your website, including store options, business tools, and payment controls. Scroll down through that left side menu until you find Settings, then click to open it. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Accept Payments and select it. This section is where Wix lets you control how customers can pay when placing an order. Depending on your setup, you may see several payment providers and transaction gateway options listed here. These can include online card processors, digital wallet services, and offline payment methods. If your goal is to allow customers to pay manually, you'll want to review the available gateway or payment method checkboxes carefully. Now scroll through the available transaction gateway settings until you find the option for manual payments or cash on delivery. When you see it, check the box to enable it. This tells Wix that you want to offer customers an alternative payment method that doesn't require immediate online card processing at checkout. This option can be especially useful for local delivery businesses, in-person handoff orders, or any setup where payment will be collected separately from the website transaction. It also gives customers more flexibility, which can sometimes improve checkout completion for certain types of businesses. After selecting the box, take a quick look around the page to confirm the setting appears enabled. If Wix prompts you to save or continue, make sure you complete that action so the change is applied properly. It's always a good idea to double check your checkout experience afterward to make sure the payment method appears the